Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your edition because group policy is supported on pro/enterprise/education. Home often needs a workaround. Once confirmed, make a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Next, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell as administrator. This is required for the install steps that follow. You're doing this to install or enable gpedit MSC safely, so make sure you're running as admin. Then proceed to the next install actions. Now you perform the core installation. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to ensure system integrity. This prevents failures during gpedit deployment. Once the system is healthy, enable the feature or run the installer you prepared, and register group policy DLLs if the snap-in won't load. Make sure to follow prompts and restart when requested. These steps fix dependencies and register components so gpedit MSC can open and apply policies correctly across the system. Finish by opening gpedit MSC from the Run dialog or Start menu to confirm the editor loads and policies are visible. Once done, apply a policy and run gpupdate/force to push settings immediately. Make sure to restart the PC if results seem inconsistent. If something fails, check permissions, rerun dism/sfc, and verify you're on a supported edition because home editions may need manual workarounds. One key troubleshooting tip: use gpresult or Event Viewer to trace policy application errors and correct file or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.